Hi, I'm Ajaypal Singh Sethi, the founder of Curate. I'm holding a session on how you can enter and succeed in business analytics careers in fintech. But why is an analytics career in fintech so important? Let me just pose a couple of problems to you. Suppose you're in Paytm and recently Paytm launched an offer on its UPI transactions for all customers. And their QRs are available on Shopper Stop and even at a normal Kirana store. But where should this offer apply? Should this offer apply to online purchases, to in-store purchases, to a Shopper Stop purchase? Where does it attract more customers, more basket size? How do you sort of evaluate this? One is do it on a hunch. But with the millions and millions of rows of data available to Paytm, the best way to do it is figure out, segment, which are the store sections, which are the kind of consumers that are getting acquired or doing their first transaction or leveling up in the transaction because of discounts on UPI at that particular store. Power more discounts there in those kind of merchants for those kind of consumers. This simple problem, right, takes a ton of analysis on a large amount of data and presenting it to the right stakeholders, right from the marketing team to actually the operations team that is putting out the QR. All of their actions and the product team, which is actually showing these messages on the app, all of their actions are dictated by the business analytics team. In fact, business analytics teams are so vital to organizations today that they exist within every function, from sales to product to marketing to operations. Every team has their in-house analytics team in large firms. And that's a brilliant way to enter your career. Once you know the nitty-gritties and you get an inside ring view of the business, right? You can then move on to greater roles, whether you want to do an MBA next, whether you want to move on to a strategy role, whether you want to move to a chief of staff role. Analytics career is a great way to take a leapfrog towards that. I myself started an analytics career and went on to do my MBA at IIM Calcutta. That analytics background really helped me crack my consulting interviews because my bent of mind was built in a way that I knew that you had to take hypotheses, take data, disprove or prove them, and then take actions. These simple three causal steps, right, are missing in so many organizations, and they're bridging the gap with larger and more well-equipped data teams and business analytics team today. If you want to be a part of such a revolution, especially in fintech and business analytics, learn from me as I take this 1-hour workshop to help you power your entry and success in business analytics role. It's a free workshop. Register in the comment section wherever you're watching it, Insta, YouTube or LinkedIn. Register right now, a free workshop in the unique Curate pedagogy. This is Ajaypal Singh Sethi signing off.